Thank you very much for giving me this opportunity to speak. I'm Yoli Aileen Gamutan from General Santos City, Mindanao, and I represent the Catholic Youth League of the Philippines. And I have heard a lot of opinions here, and what I would like to say is, as a representative of the Catholic Youth League of the Philippines, we move that this major error of decision of the administration of the CCP be come to a good resolution by the withdrawal of this exhibit. We would like to propose that the artists apologize to the offended parties, which are the majority of the Filipinos. Majority of the Filipinos are Catholics, and although there are free thinkers here who want to be identified as non-Catholic thinkers, we would like to remind everyone that to be Catholic, we cannot be independent in our thinking in a way that we would like to be democratic in the Ten Commandments. These are 10 Commandments of God, and we are not free to vote against it. So to be Catholic, we follow the directions of our Lord. We have the will of God to obey. And if there are free thinkers who want to be independent, they cannot be Catholic, although they claim to be Catholic. We have also heard that we have to abide with tolerance. We have to live side by side, and we have to have a balance. But the art exhibited here is extreme, it's not balanced, and it cannot be tolerated. So if we have here an insult for the Islamic religion, I am sure there would be a bomb already exploding here. That the artist has given for us to look. There is a challenge. There's a challenge for passion to be aroused. And if we offend the core values of our people, we cannot prevent that the passions are aroused and people act on their passions. So if we want to live with toleration, to live with love for each other, let us peace, respect, at least the majority of the people. And those who pretend that they don't know the Islamic culture of acting when they are insulted, then they had better learn their social studies and understand that extreme offenses can also generate extreme responses. So we move that this exhibit be ended. Thank you very much.